Alright, homies. We're back on Bad Omens. And doing Impose, actually, first. She's already heard it. She listened to it immediately.
I did. I couldn't wait. I'm sorry.
And has been pissed that I haven't. And I'm really late. But Dying to Love just came out today. Wednesday the 22nd. So, perfect time. We're just going to lay them together. And maybe that'll sound nice. 2 singles back to back. Get a vibe. I know she loves Impose. I've heard it's super different.
I've got my Spectre sweatshirt on, guys.
And then, yeah, sick. And then I've heard that the new one today getting a little heavy. So
yeah. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for all the things.
No need to talk. Let's do it.
Enough delaying. Let's do it.
Impose. First time for me.
Millionth time for me. I have not seen the video. Just so you know.
I'm losing my level.
I haven't seen the video.
All of the evidence that I'm not just a fraud. Too deep in my head again. Won't let nobody in, no matter how hard they lie. And I go sit alone in a prison made of bone. Oh, I hate it, but it's home for me.
Sing.
In every place I'm on my
That echo's
toes,
cool.
and still I feel like I impose. It's okay to let me go if you need. What's it say about me if I run away without you when I fall asleep? And in your head I'm always gonna stay. What's it say about me if I never change and I push everyone away? On borrowed time, you know I can't repay.
A little lo-fi.
Oh, I tried to settle in a life of relevance, but I long to be lost. And I tried to separate, walk to the precipice, to the
I can tell this is gonna fit right in the middle of this album.
And I go sit alone in a prison made of bone. Oh, I hate it, but it's home for me. In every place I'm on my toes, and still I feel like I impose. It's okay to let me go if you need. What's it say about me if I run away without you when I fall asleep? And
What is she looking at?
Yeah, I don't know.
You know what that was?
No, I haven't seen the video before. I didn't know if it was setting it up for the next one.
Ko zaspim, zbežim, a brez tebe. Še zmeraj si v sanjah, a ne mojih. Idealiziram tebe in življenje, a ti ne držiš tempa. Nihče ga nikoli ne more. Ampak zabava je skoraj pri koncu.
Someone did translate this, and I can't remember exactly what she's saying. But it has to do with what he was saying about. I just can't remember.
CC's.
I think it's
Sem
French.
prevara.
Directed by Noah and Nico. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's dope. I was trying to think of what that made me think of.
Was it another Bad Omens song, or was it something?
No, not even like musically. Like
Oh, okay.
I don't know. It felt like a hero track, maybe.
Mm.
You know, like the bridge going into that upbeat boom,
Mhm.
like you're the hero, and I don't know. Obviously, it won't. Maybe it's because I'm like the story and the cinematic video is like a love story, so like you think, it's a song that I'd be playing if I was like sad,
Yeah.
going through a breakup or something. But I'm feeling really cool walking outside in the rain.
It felt very like the first time I listened to it, it felt very Matrix-y. It felt also industrial, which I do like too. I like it when they pull out stuff like that, where it's not really traditional and it's not heavy. It's different. I think that's why I liked Even so much when they came out with Even.
Yeah,
I was really into that.
so I mean, it makes sense. I mean, the way that every band has been doing their releases lately.
Yeah.
It's like the first track is usually it's like it's grand. It's a little blend of everything.
Signature.
But
Yeah.
the second track switches it up.
Yeah, for sure.
But that's cool. I like that I get to hear it right before I listen to
The next one, which is called Dying to Love. Is that what it is?
Yes. Because I don't know, you probably didn't hear me when I was when we had our headphones on, but like
No.
it seems like that's a track that's going to be like right in the middle to break things up
I think so too.
after like 4 or 5 tracks.
I think that'd be smart.
But since we're getting the third single today, I would assume that the album release is probably within
At least
the next
month,
couple. Yeah,
right?
I would hope
It's
so.
gotta be.
But I'm stoked for this one. The videos are sick. Yeah, the last one said directed by Nico and Noah. That's dope.
Yeah. Who did who did Spectre? Do you happen to
Didn't
remember?
see. It might have been that. I don't.
Because Noah was obviously in that one. But... All right, Noah's in this one again too, it looks.
All right. Probably going to get a little more back to mainstream
I'm
here.
ready for it. I'm ready for a
Dying to Love. There's not much else to say. Want to let it blend in together. See what we're getting for the new record. Here we go. I'm going to turn my shit up so I probably won't be able to hear you talk.
I can't hear that. I can barely hear you right now, so.
Haven't figured that out yet.
Driving home with nowhere to be. Passing ghosts that die of sleep.
Already, that sounds like something, a different layer that's coming out for this album.
Faces staring at me. We circle over the state. My essence slipping away. Turn for a
was grooving at the end there for a second.
I think they're going to be doing something with these videos.
Yeah, that was interesting. Yeah, look, another door.
Is that what she was looking at?
Yeah. I think so.
And that was an inspector too, right?
Yeah.
Some was in
The
the
door.
sky.
And they've all have the same color grading too. Which is interesting. Yeah.
So with it.
Wow.
That was Trill.
I did not expect a little new metal.
That was the first song in a while that sounds like it's going to be something totally new.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, definitely new metal. But like a different layer on top of his vocals, playing with. The chorus is still there.
Mm-hmm.
Like that sound. That's a Bad Omens chorus.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
But dude, whatever the new album's gonna be,
Do we know what to really expect?
I mean, I would assume it's probably gonna go that. I would hope it goes that route because that was something completely different. I mean, sonically.
Yeah, and I'm all for that. I really am.
Because Spectre even imposed a little bit. Sound like it. Like again, it could have fit on
Death of Peace of Mind.
part 3 or included with the that deluxe edition
Oh yeah.
remix,
With Even and
the lo-fi, and yeah, all the
Yeah. Hey. I didn't expect it. Kind of sounded like Loathe a little bit in the beginning too. That's what I wanted to compare it to as well.
Loathe.
Yeah. The
Interesting.
guitar was very dreamy.
Well, and they were tuned super low, like in
Yeah.
the background, like
Yeah.
little grungy.
For sure.
For sure.
We'll be getting tickets when they drop tour dates. That's for sure.
Sell an arm and a leg.
Be there. We'll be there.
Sell an arm and a leg. I haven't disliked a Bad Omen song.
Yeah, that's true.
And since I started listening to him in 2018. Video's rad.
Videos are rad. Noah's rad. He's growing his hair back out.
Yeah, he's such a handsome guy, isn't he? Fuck. Such a handsome guy.
You're a handsome guy.
Love it, love it, love it.
It's so late, guys. We're doing our best.
Dude, I'll listen to songs 12 weeks later. It's fine.
We've got people in the comments. Just saying.
I think they disappeared.
Hopefully not. Stick with us. We'll get to it. Life is life right now.
Fuck, I keep looking there again.
I know.
We suck, dude. That's what we get for not doing this so often and consistent. But it's alright. We'll catch you in the next one. Bad Omens Part 7.